Hello and welcome to the Excellent English Club. Today's topic is IPA symbols or sounds of English. As I have already discussed in my previous video that there are 44 sounds in English and 24 consonant sound and 20 vowel sound. Today I will let you know all these sounds one by one with examples. Okay, so let's start. There are 44 sounds, okay, and we have divided into two, consonant sounds and vowel sounds. How? Look here, 24 consonant sounds and 20 vowel sounds. Then we have another break, consonant sounds 3 divisions and vowel sounds again 3 divisions. So we will further divide them like this. Look here, 24 consonant sounds divided into 3. How? Look here, 9 voiceless sounds, 8 voice sounds and 7 others. Look here, look at the example. Look, 9 voiceless sounds. What are these sounds? Pa, ta, ka, cha, fa, tha, sa, sha and ha. These are 9 voiceless consonants. Okay? Now move to number 2. 8 voice consonant sounds. What are these sounds? Look here. Ba, da, ga, ja, va, da, za, ja. Now what is the difference between voice sound and voiceless sound? Look, this is our throat and we have vocal cords here. This portion, this is vocal cords here. These vocal cords, when they vibrate, we produce voice sound. When they do not vibrate, then we produce voiceless sounds. Okay, how? Look here. When you put your finger here, when you say pa, ta, ka, you will not feel any vibration here. But when you produce voice sound like ba, da, ga, and put your finger here and then pronounce these words, ba, da, ga. So this, you will feel the vibration. So if you feel the vibration, that means these are voice sounds. If you are not feeling the vibration, these are voiceless sound. So this is the basic difference between voice sound and voiceless sound. As we know that most of the sounds are voiced, all vowels are voiced, and most of the consonants also voiced. So we have very few voiceless sounds. Like we have consonants, 9 voiceless sounds, you can say. Okay. Now I will give you examples. First I told you voiceless sound. Second I told you voice sound. And the third one is others. In others we have nasal sounds, literal and semi-vowels. For example, look here. Ma, na, anga, la, va, ra and ya. These are 7 other consonant sounds. So in total we have 24 consonant sounds. I will give you an example for each sound. Look at the example. Number 1. Say for example, pa as in pot, ta as in top. Look here. Ka as in come, cha as in chair, fa as in for, tha as in thin, sa as in sun, sha as in she, and finally ha as in happy. These are 9 voiceless sounds with example. Okay? Now next one is voice sound with example. Look here. Ba as in bed, da as in door, Ga as in gun, ja as in jam, wa as in vary, da as in the, za as in zoo, and ja as in vision. Clear? 9 voiceless sound, 8 voice sound, and 7 other consonants. What are these? Look here. Examples. Ma as in man, na as in nose, ga as in angry, la as in late, wa as in want, ra as in red, and ya as in yes. These are the 24 consonant sounds with examples. Okay? Now move to the vowel sound. As I told you, we have 2 divisions, 24 consonant sounds, 20 vowel sounds. So let's move to vowel sounds. Look here. 20 vowel sounds divided into 3. 5 long vowels, 7 short vowels, and 8 diphthongs. There are 8 diphthongs and 12 monophthongs. What are these sounds? Look here. 5 long vowels. Now what is the difference between long and short? The basic difference between long and short is you pronounce long vowels a little longer, like seat. This E sound is longer than others. Sa is very small, ta is also very small in seat. So what will you say? Seat. So E sound is longer sound. If you say sit in place of seat, SIT, so that is not a long vowel, it is short vowel. You will say sit. So E sound is reduced. And in long vowel, E sound is longer, like seat, sit. Okay? Clear what is long, what is short? And what is diphthong? Diphthong means combination of 2 vowels. When you use 2 vowels together as one sound. I will give you the example, then you will understand. Okay, look. See the example. The first example. E as in sheep. Sheep. Listen carefully. Okay? Be attentive. A as in car. This ra we don't pronounce. If ra comes at the end, I will give you one more video about these sounds, like where we produce ra, where we don't produce ra, and some other sounds also in coming videos. Okay? So what I'm saying, when the ra comes at the end, we generally don't pronounce. Look here. Listen again. E as in sheep, A as in car, O as in saw, U as in you, A as in girl. 5 long vowels. And we have 7 short vowels. Look at the examples. These are the examples. Look here. I will pronounce. E as in ship, A as in 10, A as in cat, A as in sun, O as in hot, U as in put, Shaw as in letter. Look here. For example, if I say in place of put, we say pool, P-O-O-L, pool, it will be a long vowel. It will not be a short, because we are pronouncing a little longer. Pool, oo. So it will be a long vowel like this one, as in you. Oo as in you. That is long vowel. Now move to the diphthongs. As I told you that diphthongs are the combination of 2 vowels which we use as one vowel. We also called it vowel glide, from one place to another place. How? Look here. These are the examples. What are these sounds? Just let me pronounce them. The first one, this one is A-E. A-E. A plus E, A. This one A plus I. This is O plus I, Oi. This is Schwa plus U, O. This is A plus U, Ow. And this is E plus Schwa, Ear. This is A plus Schwa, Air. This is U plus Schwa, U. So what are these sounds? A, I, Oi, O, Ow, Ear, Air, U. Okay? Now look at the examples. A as in name, aim, name. Similarly, I as in my. Okay? Then Y as in try. O as in no. We don't say no. We say no, go, like this. Then ow, A plus U, ow, as in how are you, like this. Then ear, as in here, near, like this. Then air as in where. Ua as in poor, right? So air as in name, I as in my, Oi as in try, O as in no, Ow as in how, ear as in here, air as in where, Ua as in poor. These are the 20 vowel sounds with examples. Understand? 5 long vowel sounds, okay? 7 short vowel sounds, and 8 diphthongs, means combination of 2 vowels together. Clear? Understand? If you have any query, any question, you can ask me in the comment column. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.